All the offshoring started to happen. Our bank had come to see us, and they were pretty much, you guys, you're out of time. It was, a low moment. I just had to come up with a solution. I was in our kitchen, in the corner by the sink, and the whole concept of surviving, of making tough socks, came into my head, and then I stumbled upon the idea of Darn Tough. I was in a position where it had to happen. I was in a position where it was ready to happen. It's a story of survival, and it's a story of hard work, and it's a story of never giving up, and all those things make you darn tough. Small town Vermont, making socks there for close to 40 years, 3 generations, all these things are really the true ingredients. Our socks go on a journey long before your journey begins. If our socks don't finish the journey, if our socks don't go on the right journey, that right process, then we're in danger of letting you down on your journey. I think people believe in us, and they believe in our socks.
Remember from our first review, we took the accent off the foot.
Yeah. We own the entire process from beginning to end, from the idea to the design to making the finished final product that's ready for the market. It's all ours. It's all under one roof. We make one thing, and we make that one thing better than anybody else. Everything centers around comfort, durability, and fit. I consider Northfield the sock capital of the world. The sock capital needn't be based on volume, but absolutely based on quality. And we have one mission, and that mission is to produce the best category-specific socks for the outdoor and the casual and the lifestyle market that anyone can buy, and we guarantee them for life. All of our socks, except for a handful of products within each category, are made with merino wool. It knits really well, it doesn't shrink, it takes color really well, it's durable. Merino wool is also naturally wicking, removes the moisture off your skin, it's naturally antimicrobial. We source globally, it's ethically treated, and that fine gauge yarn on a fine gauge needle forms a product that form fits to your foot. So the math is all Darn Tough socks are knit on a 168 needle machine, fine high micron count yarn that produces what we like to say on average about 1,441 stitches per square inch on a Darn Tough sock. We produce a multitude of styles, sizes, colors. But if you take away the color and you take away the stripes, at the base of everything is that Darn Tough math. Yes, knitting is essential. You take a cone of yarn and you can turn it into a finished pair of socks, but we put as much care in the finishing side of the process, which gets the sock to the right size. We experiment with washing, we experiment with drying, we experiment with different boarding sizes to make sure the sock has the right shape. Boarding also is another inspection process in the finishing process. We hand inspect every single sock at the machine, and then every single sock before it gets packaged is again hand inspected before it goes into a package, before it gets shipped out to the consumer, and that's part of our quality pledge and our quality process. So it's all these pieces coming together to form that Darn Tough sock, which ultimately form fits onto your foot.
Hi, I'm Becca with Darn Tough Vermont Socks, and we're here inside our mill, the Cabot Hosiery Mill in Northfield, Vermont. Now that you've heard a little bit about our history and taken a glimpse inside of our mill, I want to tell you about the most important tool you have on the sales floor, and that's the packaging. On our packaging, you'll find the material used to knit our socks, the size of the sock, and for any questions, we have a chart on the side. You'll also find the category, height, and cushion story, and in this case, we're using the women's badge to call out the sock. And our socks are still made in Vermont, USA. On the back of the package, you'll find the 3 characteristics that define all the socks we knit: comfort, durability, and fit, all unconditionally guaranteed for life. And if you need it, we also have the contents of all of our socks. So remember, when you're out on the sales floor, you have a great tool to get your customers in the right socks. Next up is our lifestyle line of socks. For men, we offer 2 heights, a crew and a mid-calf. For women, we offer 4, the no-show, the shorty, which is a signature style for Darn Tough, the crew, and the knee-high. For both our men's and women's line, we offer a non-cushion and a light cushion offering for a variety of wearing occasions. As you'll notice, we take macro trends and pull them down into fashion-forward designs that are great to wear throughout the course of the year. For on-trend, all-day comfort, the Darn Tough Lifestyle Collection is exactly what you're looking for. I'd like to introduce you to our Hike Trek line of socks. This is the 1466. It's the foundation of all the socks that we knit. Hikers everywhere choose our socks because we use fine gauge merino wool, 168 fine gauge needles that yield roughly 1,441 stitches per square inch, giving us exceptional comfort, durability, and fit. We offer our socks in 4 heights: quarter sock, micro crew, boot sock, and over the calf. We also offer 4 cushions. For our light cushion sock, the cushioning is underfoot. For our cushion, full cushion, and extra cushion sock, we use standard gauge yarns, but we incorporate the cushion in different ways. For our cushion sock, it's underfoot. For our full cushion sock, it wraps the entirety of the foot and down the leg of the sock. And for our extra cushion, it's the entirety of the foot and down the leg of the sock. So if you're on a day hike with your family or attempting your first through hike, Darn Tough is the right choice. Now I want to show you our Vertex running series. This collection is our minimalist approach to performance running. We offer them in 3 different heights. We have our no-show tab and our quarter sock for both men and women, and we have crew for men. We've stripped these socks down, leaving only what you need. The result is an ultralight performance sock weighing 13 grams in our no-show style. If you're someone who requires more cushion, we offer an ultralight cushion sock in all of the styles. This will give you extra cushioning underneath your foot. These socks are designed to be the absolute best at preventing blisters by wicking moisture away and keeping debris from entering. So if you're out there pushing from 5K to 10K or training for your next marathon, the Vertex Run Series is going to keep your feet feeling great. I'd like to invite you to learn about our most versatile collection in our line, the Endurance Socks. These socks are designed for athletes who push their limits on foot, bike, and beyond. For men, we offer 4 heights: no-show tab, quarter sock, micro crew, and crew. For women, we offer 2 heights: the no-show tab and the quarter sock. If you're someone who needs a little extra comfort while you're out there, we also offer select styles with cushion underfoot. Whether you're out running peak to peak or on a gravel grind, the Darn Tough line of endurance socks is out there with you. Let's take a look at our vertical line of socks. We offer our vertical category in 2 heights: our over the calf, which is our traditional height, and our micro crew for our Nordic friends. We also offer these socks in 2 weights: ultralight and light, and in 2 cushions, cushioning under the foot and cushioning under the foot and in the shin of the sock. If you're someone who's crushing gaits and needs to feel every aspect of your boot, the ultralight sock is going to be right for you. If you want a little bit more warmth, but still need to feel that connection with your boot, the light sock will be right for you. If you still want the same warmth in that light sock, but want added cushion underfoot, the light cushion sock will be right for you. If you want the same light sock with cushion underfoot, but added padding in the shin, this is the right sock for you. And if you're someone who needs the kitchen sink of socks, try our Function 5. Not only do we have cushioning under the foot and padding in the shin, but we have 5 areas of pressure point protection along the foot. So no matter the conditions out on the slopes, the Darn Tough vertical line has you covered. Now let's move into our work category. We have a core collection and a specialty collection. In our core collection, we offer 3 heights of sock: the micro crew, the boot sock, and the over the calf sock. We also offer 2 cushions: cushion under the foot and full cushion, which wraps around the entirety of the foot and down the leg of the sock. For our specialty collection, we have the Westerner, which is a light cushion sock, but has the added comfort of coming up over the calf. This is perfect in a Western wear boot in warmer conditions. We also have the Steely, which offers cushion underneath the foot, but that cushion wraps around the toe box to give you added comfort in a steel toe boot. You work hard every day, so we design our socks to work hard for you. I want to talk to you about our Hunt series of socks. We offer our Hunt series in 3 heights: the Micro Crew, the Boot Sock, and the Over the Calf. All of our socks have excellent arch support. This particular sock has a great mesh panel, which is excellent for the active hunter. We have 3 cushion stories: cushion, which is under the foot; full cushion, which is around the entirety of the foot and down the leg of the sock; and extra cushion, which is around the entirety of the foot and down the leg of the sock. No matter the weather, actively hunting or sitting in a tree stand or blind, the Darn Tough Hunt collection will keep you out there. Thanks for watching.